Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include navigation system, roof rack, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moon roof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.